Hey, honey, the sun's behind the clouds. We can see now. Got a shower caddy.
And how do they hang that up?
It goes on a shower door. It says shower door
Oh,
caddy.
I got you. You gotta have a door. We have curtains.
And we got a pillow
Fort.
pillow
fort.
floor lamp.
It's for a kid's room.
Nice looking
Isn't that
lamp.
cute?
Yeah, it can be for anywhere.
I was pulling stuff out of the truck.
She got hit with it.
Oh, aren't those cute? They're tiny little Gerber onesies.
I
And
think Amelia's a little big for that right now.
I think she is too. Those are tiny.
Hey, I got a pair of curtains.
Oh,
Are
you're
they
losing
curtains?
one.
Are they curtains or are they?
Standard padded ironing board cover.
Oh, iron board covers.
So, one has the markings on it and the other doesn't.
Cat and Jack. Size 5 pants. Reinforced knees. For the little kids that like to scoot
Can you
around
see
pushing their
this?
cars.
This is a
Give her
wrapping paper container. We actually have 4 of these. And can you believe it? They're not cracked. They don't have holes in them. All good.
I guess these undies.
I think that's swimming suit.
Swimsuit or undies?
Yes, do you see it?
Oh, it may
When
be.
you buy women's,
Well, I don't know. Nothing about buying a woman's. I don't buy that stuff.
don't think I've worn something like that since I was 10 years old.
Got a hole in the knee. Had to go tomorrow and we can.
They come like that, don't they? Oh no, someone put that in there. Here's a letter board that you can leave little notes. It says, hey, hey, hooray. That's cute. There's another swimsuit.
Hey, $18 for just the bottoms.
Hey, that's really a good price. Ah,
More
more
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. Now we don't have to worry about who gets what.
Yeah, we do. We still got 4 more to go. I don't know what that's
I don't
for.
either. Something Suncast. Oh, that was for a
hose.
hose reel. Look, we got a whole 3-pack of shea butter baby wipes. I don't know what brand. I don't know if this is Target brand or what, guys. They won't go to waste.
Got a golden hot hair
it's
dryer.
a hair dryer.
The
Old-fashioned
kind. What's
Here's a Swiss gear toiletry bag. I don't know that there's anything in it.
$74.84?
Oh, and you can hang it.
87.
How much is that?
$74.87 at
Oh.
Wally World.
Wally World.
And that's supposed to be a Target. It didn't even show Target.
You know what? We did see this when we were loading. It is broken.
Yeah, sell it for $1.
You know what? It might go back in. You might have enough strength to put that back in. Is that little painting thing?
Yeah. A frog. I can't tell what's behind it. Look like another frog. 2 froggies.
Oh, these are kind of cute. Here I have, actually, there is a set of a grommet curtain panel. And here's the other one, so you can at least do a window.
Oh,
Is that for a dog?
yeah.
I was going to like,
Harness.
Jim, are you making a swing?
Baby swing.
All right, here's
There's
more
one panel.
curtain panels, and I do see another one.
I see another
And
one.
these are blackout again, 42-inch width by 84 long.
And there's 3 of them.
Huh. So 3 of them. What else you got in there? Just what you need, more
Got trash.
St. Patrick's Day. See what that is.
Sticker book.
But you know what? I don't think we got plates for St. Patrick's Day and all that
I
stuff
think we
got.
did.
Did we?
Got stickers, and more stickers. And it's not been opened, so I ain't gonna open it.
There's a felt lacing and learning shape. So you must learn to put the laces through it and maybe tie in shoestrings. And some bunny ears.
Bring this up. Got a thing of scissors with scissor sharpener.
Is that what that is?
That's what it looks like.
I think that this is all of this, so we're not going to pull it all out. I think the box is filled with these curtain panels, and we will research them. And what did I tell you that, when we were getting back into our area today, there was a community sign that said community-wide garage sale on, was it the 27th?
I think 27th or 29th.
Well, I think it's the 27th. It's a Saturday, but we always do Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I've already asked Jim to take that Friday off work, because when we set a garage sale up in our driveway, it's a good weekend. More stuff.
More and more. And we ain't half done in the truck. Got two youth quad chair with team logo on it. I don't know who the logos are, but if you know, let us know.
Yeah, they're nice chairs. They're Coleman.
They're Coleman chairs. Then we got a rug pad. We just bought one the other night.
For one of the rugs that I called dibs on from Bed Bath & Beyond. But we might need the bigger one. You show these.
Alrighty. Grab that side.
Oh.
They're a little...
Look, guys.
8-person tent, dome style.
It's Oasis, Coleman Oasis, dome style.
And it's got a clearance tag of $60 or $70.
How many does it sleep? 8. Wow, and a 15-minute setup. Oh, this is different.
This is a 7.
Wow. Okay. This is a Coleman Mammacan
fast pitch tent.
Is this supposed to set up fast?
6 minutes.
6 whole minutes. Oh, here. Let's turn this around. There's the front. Pretty neat.
Yeah. And
And
we got
another Oasis 3-room.
Oh, that's a 3-room. That's different. That don't say 3-room, does it?
I don't know. It'd be on your end.
Yeah. Okay, they're the same.
All right. Now, I did look up, because we had to stop and get gasoline on the way back. And he says, hey, that tent's an Oasis. They go anywhere from $89 to $120 some on eBay. And we've got 4. 2 of the same, or 3. Yeah, I'm sorry. We sold that big one we had. All right, here is, and I'm not going to take it out, a telescoping closet bar. So it is the bar to hang your clothes on to put in a closet, right?
Yep. While she's doing that,
And this is
I do not know what's in here.
a rod of some sort, and it's gold. It's big. Yeah, I don't know what's in there either. Here's another curtain rod, which is your, I guess you would call it a brushed nickel, or just a silver color. Single drapery rod. Oops. 66 inch to 120. So all the hardware's in here to also put that up. I'm gonna have to put these against the tree.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, what do you got?
I got no idea. Baskets. Is that what this is?
Those are different than the last ones we got.
Is it a basket?
Don't know. There's a tag. I just figured it was a bunch of stuff.
It's a wire basket.
$25 price tag I see here.
Let's take it out of here so Oh, I thought there was a hole in there for something to go through.
It says wire basket, project 62, $25. All right, well, we got to get more out of the truck, don't we? Hey, Jim, what do you have?
Look like a chair.
You know what? We don't. What's taped here, too? Oh. What kind of chair? Oh, my God, it's for a little kid, isn't it?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Well, we gotta try not to hit the camera or the box behind it. Let me turn on its side.
Yeah, turn on its side.
Guys, we're shaking you. Sorry. It's taken both of us to do this. I just thought it was some little chair.
It's got legs in it. Okay.
Take it.
Take it.
I got it.
I don't know, that big person's here.
Oh my God, that is awesome.
That's cute.
Oh, Jim, I want a second one. We could get rid of the chairs in our living room.
Got legs.
This must be the legs. Just
Somebody had opened it and evidently couldn't figure out how to put the legs on it.
Here, if you could just slice this side. This side's okay. Not that one. Right here. There's no big tape. There. Look at the legs. That is gorgeous. I love it. Here, I thought it was a little patio chair.
Little patio chair or a little kid's chair.
First, I thought it was a little kid's chair. That is... Let's see if we can't set it up correctly.
It is.
It is. It is.
It is set up.
That is the back.
Because this is the...
Yeah.
This is the seat. And this is the back.
It says Chapter 3 Incorporated Furniture, and it has the American flag for USA.
Made in the U.S. Good piece of furniture.
All right, let's figure out what to do with this, and then we got some more to show you. He's got a big one.
The 6 cube organizer.
And we have 2 of these, and we have a huge family room, so the back part of it is my eBay stuff. And we have 2 side by side. This could actually go on top.
Looks like somebody tried to put it together because there's a pig sticking out.
I don't know. We're going to have to open it and check it. We just might keep this, guys. I don't know if the baskets are in here. It's no big deal if they're not, because it's not really needed. But if they are, wonderful. So I thought it was a plastic shelf or something. So it's going to help us with organization.
Yep.
Think our chance will pay off?
I don't know. Time to find out.
Sorry, I'm trying to move the microphone so it's towards them. Didn't mean to shake you there. I can't see. I'm not tall enough.
Can you see now?
Yeah, I don't think it's been out of the box.
I don't think it's been out of the box, but there's a hole on the side of the box. It's got a dent in the back.
In the back of it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's in the back. Now tell me what this is. Is this...
Over the
Well,
range.
let's do this.
Where'd it go?
At 1.8 cubic feet,
Over the
1100
range.
watt, over the range oven.
Microwave oven with ventilation.
Okay, so that goes over your
The
stove.
fan.
And it has the fan. Is it stainless? Stainless steel finish. Huh.
Now they gotta check this side, make sure that it ain't like that other one.
We had one, guys, that was on the pallet.
Feels good.
I forget which pallet it was on.
This
but
is brand new.
he picked
Got
it
that
up off
little
the
dent.
pallet and the glass all fell on the ground. So they let us leave it there and they threw it away. Here, let's watch the big man at work. It's nice to have a strong man. Isn't that something? $100 for all of these. Okay, this is a Magic Chef. 0.7 cubic feet, and a 700 watt countertop microwave. That's what I have right now is a countertop, and it takes up counter space that I don't have much of. Here's some rattling. Hey, we have one of those in the box over here. Oh, isn't that cute?
I wonder if it's the same size as the one we got.
I'm gonna grab it. This is a little microwave, and the glass tray is broke. It does have the little piece that you set it on. We're gonna do some research because this is darling. Look, it's a Magic Chef. Kind of looks retro, doesn't it? All right, what do you have now? An LG microwave.
LG stainless steel microwave.
It's 0.9 cubic feet. It's over there. I can't see it. You turned it on me. 1,000 watt. Hey, it even tells you who it was shipped to in Hampton something, New Hampshire. This.
Yeah. Well, don't put them on there.
Oh, well, sorry. They returned it.
It's got a dent in it.
I don't think really people worry about that stuff if they can get a good buy. Okay, over here, guys. I'm sorry if It's neat looking.
Now this is brand new. This has never been.
Yeah, the tray's right there, the glass.
It's got a dent in it. It's on top. See it right
That
here.
does not affect the working of it, does it?
Shouldn't.
Wow. That's pretty nice. Oh, it's a touch.
Ooh.
Well, And it's 1,000 watt?
Yeah.
Well, if I can't have the other, maybe I can have this one because no one's going to see the top.
That's under the counter.
Right. Here we have a Sharp Simple Better Living carousel, 2.2 cubic feet, 1,200 watts, premium blue LED, and Jim just scanned it.
Retails for $170.99.
$170.99. This is interesting, guys. If this turns out to be the bargain of the day.
Well, the tent was the bargain of the day.
The what?
The tents. The two tents take.
3 tents.
3 tents take care of the almost all of what we spent.
No, it doesn't.
It's not that far from it. Yeah.
I think what you paid for these, that you're going to get 5 times your money back on or more. Okay, you're flipping that at me. Is something wrong with it?
Nope.
How are you going to lift that out of there? Very carefully. Sorry, guys. I don't mean to throw you all over the place. What?
It's never been used.
Well, we do need to open it and look in it.
No, it's been opened.
It's been opened.
And I don't think it's been used.
That is huge. How do you put it there like that? Look at that, guys.
That's $100. That's what.
Any dents? Look up
No
top.
dents. No dents.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we've got that 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th. There's 2.
Sorry about stepping in front of you.
2 to go. You just wanted to get on the camera. I know that. No.
Why would I want to be on the camera? I don't want to be on the camera.
He's throwing a fit. Put that manual inside. Okay, what do you have now? It's a Sharp.
Another over-the-counter microwave oven.
And this is showing you to cut the box along those things, but we don't want to do that. Does it say what watt it is?
No, I'm not seeing that.
Wow, and they just laid the tray up top.
Well, there should have been a.
Those little son of a guns are expensive. I'm going to lay it right there. I don't know what that is. I can't look at that and hold the camera. And I don't know what to do if you go to lift this out. So why don't we do this? I'm not going to, let's.
Hold on. Grab that. Whole box. Let it drop.
Guys, you got to see action at work. I think there's a manual in there.
Nope. Just start.
Nope. Okay, so this.
There might be a manual in that.
Here's.
Look at that sucker. That's nice.
Okay, well, there's this. You're right in front of me. Why don't you just walk in front of me, James?
I will.
Here, put this in there, see if it fits.
Here it is.
Okay, is the door gonna shut?
And you
Okay,
said
and scoot aside. It's push button. Custom help. Keep warm plus, a light, the accent light, tells you reheat, instant sensor. Then you can put in your time cook for other things. 1100 watt. And what'd you find? It's the template to put it up.
Put it up.
Any manuals?
Nope.
Have all the hardware?
All the hardware. And
Okay.
somebody left their box cutter open.
Huh. Yeah, I'm sure this didn't come with a box cutter. Maybe what we could do is get all the model number and I can go online
Let's see if it's all here.
and see if there's a manual, because I did that with that Cricut cutter we sold. Alright, so you good?
You good on this one?
Taking pictures of this microwave. We did plug it in. I brought out a Pyrex measuring cup of cold water and it worked. It heated it up. So Jim's getting pictures to get it on Marketplace to sell it. Have now is another sharp.
Another sharp carousel convection microwave.
Ooh, now let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Well, this is 1.5 900 cubic feet. This is a countertop.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he found a UPC. Here's what scares me. It's got the duct tape. What are you seeing?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't know if you can see it, but here it comes.
Wait for it. $549.99. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh.
I don't believe that. I was thinking $249. That's
Sharp's
$5 and
a good brand, but did we figure out? Well, get your little thing over there and scan that one. We've already showed them this. What does it scan for?
I thought I scanned it. I thought it was 100.
Was it the 179 or was that
170.99.
the 170.99?
And that's stainless.
And that's a
this is
sharp.
black.
This is convection.
Oh.
Convection.
That's why.
Now, why did they return it? You know, he just said
Oh,
something.
got the paper. Got the book.
And we are going to the flea market tomorrow.
Oh, wait a minute. It's black with stainless.
You're going to see this
Or wait a
well
minute.
after
Well, I
the
don't know.
weekend. So anyhow,
Hey, we'll keep this where we're at.
he's going to leave these in the back of the truck because the truck gets backed in, the tailgate's open, and people can see him right in the truck. Now, we're going to do this. I'm going to help you get this out, and then we'll be right back. All right, here's the microwave convection oven out of here. Look at all of that packing material. Watch you don't pull a tray out or anything that would break. Kind of in the way. Okay with it being convection, it's got that shelving. Oh, it's blowing. So the tray, is that glass?
That's glass.
All right. So does it have a area in the bottom to set it on, or maybe that? Oh. Now let me in there. I'm gonna pick up this bubble wrap. You can't step on it. Wow. Look at that. Why? Well, I don't know why they returned it, but can you open that back up for me? Don't worry about that. We're not cooking in it. There's some marks back there. Look at the back. The paperwork shows this was bought $220. There's no name, but this says 224.20, and this is the model number. So why would it look like that back there? Can you all see that? Can you see that mark right there? What they cook in and blow it up in it. I'm gonna go get a cold glass of water. We're gonna try this, okay? All right, you got water in it?
Yep.
I wonder how you fix it. So you did 35 seconds. That's not very long.
For 900 watt, it should take 35 seconds to heat water up.
Oh look, you can do different.
Yeah.
You can do different temperature settings.
Right.
I still wonder what the inside's all blown up from. I look at it this way, you get $100 out of it.
And that's what we pay for the pallet, $100.
Right,
I get $100 out of all the big ones.
Okay, do we have warm water? Let's do the finger test. Stick your finger in it.
Pretty warm for 35.
That's not bad for only 35 seconds. Anything look blown up inside of it from you?
No. Looked like a might have dropped it or something.
It's dented here too.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know.
Or they put something in it and then carried it around.
I don't know.